What's up, guys? It's Ben, and today I've got a bike check on my 100% stock Specialized, except for the front tube. I got a pop front tube while I was riding. Sad day, ruined my whole day riding, but yeah. Start up here. Stock P-Series stem. It's 3 different pieces. Obviously, the stem itself, and then the 2 pieces right here that hold on to the bars. Bars, I don't know how much of a rise those are. They're either 7.5 or 8 inch. I don't know. But brake, handle, stock. I don't know. Brakes are coming off. Not to be cool. I just don't. I want to be able to do stuff that I can't do with brakes. But yeah. So stock forks, stock hub, P-Series hub, that's blue. Tire is a Rhythm Light 20 by 2.2. Alright. So come up here. This sticker is eventually gonna come off, but I don't know. Specialized p.20. Specialized clear plastic pedals. Getting new pedals that are blue. Same with the seat and seat post. The seat is going to be a pivotal seat. Seat post is going to be a pivotal seat post. Yeah. Come back here. There's the hub. Blue P-Series hub. I want to get a Primo mix hub. That is going to have to wait though. And there's my 25 tooth. It's 25/9 gear ratio. Yeah. Sealed bearings, as you can see. The grips, they're very mushy. I like these grips. They're grippy. But I'm getting new grips. Keep these. If you have one of these bikes and you want to get new grips, keep these. These are great grips. I've been riding on them for about a week and a half. Great grips. The tire tread on this bike, great. I love these tires. I just don't know why, but they're great for dirt and street, whatever you are riding. So let's go upside down for a second. As you can see, there's my chain. I'm getting a new chain. This is going to be a Shadow Conspiracy interlock 2 chain. It's going to be a half-track chain on the back. And obviously, I have a zip tie there so my brake cable wasn't scratching up my frame. And if you look right under there, you'll see that I have a black piece of electrical tape. That is because my my chain is hitting my frame. I'm gonna fix that. But I put that there so it doesn't scratch it up more. Cranks, stock 3-piece. Gonna be changing those. Same with the forks. Gonna be changing those, and the stem. The only reason I haven't bought those parts is because I like the colors of them. I really do. This is gonna be blue. Seat is gonna be clear. Seat post will be blue still. Pedals are gonna be blue. Chain is gonna be blue. So blue and concrete gray is what this bike is. Very nice bike. If you guys want to hear the hub sound, I'll just do that real quick. Hold on. Just point it over there. Oh, my bad. That was such a fail, but yeah, that's what it sounds like. It's not that loud, but at the same time, I don't know, it's just kind of medium. So let's try that again. Tire's not spinning fast. But yeah. Kind of hard to do that when you're trying to hang on to an iPhone, integrated headset. Obviously the Specialized logo right there. That's about it. I've got sealed back bearings. Hub, back hub, front and back hub are sealed. Same with the bottom bracket. So, 100% stock. Will not be 100% stock within the next couple of days. My order had just shipped. Right before I made this video, I got an email and telling me that my order shipped. Great bike. It is 24 pounds with the brakes. So it is a very easy bike to lift up. I have a feeling it's going to fall over here in a second, so let me just do that. So, very long bike check. I know that was my first one. Hope you guys like it. Specialized p.20. Great bike. I love it. Let's go over here real quick. Just a piece of drywall. This is my Haro. This thing is a tank. This thing is a tank. Hello, puppy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this long bike check. My next one will be shorter. Peace.